Hi everyone, welcome to Joys It Flies. I'm Teresa if you're new here, and I deal with the cooking on this side of the channel. So today I am making a loaf of bread and also some rolls. And what we don't use straight away will go into the freezer, though these two recipes are so delicious that I don't think much will end up in the freezer. The first of this I'm just doing is some little dinner rolls. They're milk rolls. They're really simple, and in fact both of these recipes are really simple. And I'm using a stand mixer. You can do this by hand. Obviously that means it just take that little bit longer. If you have got a stand mixer, you can use that. So I'm just mixing the yeast, the milk, which I've just warmed slightly so it's tepid, and the flour. I'm then going to add the salt and then put that on to mix before adding in some melted butter. And these rolls really are a good one that you can make a large batch of. This makes 12 rolls because I like them quite small, so they are perfect as dinner rolls. But you can make a large batch, freeze them, and then whenever you need to, you can just pull a couple of out of the freezer and let them defrost. Warm them up slightly and you're good to go. So as I said, I'm just going to add the melted butter in, and it looks like quite a dry loaf so far, but once you have to trust the process, add the butter in and it will all then come together really well. So while the rolls are being taken care of in the stand mixer, I can get on and make my loaf of bread. And I'm making a soda bread. Now we have a family recipe which my mother makes an amazing soda bread. This is going to be slightly different. This is an oat and black treacle soda bread. And it's not sweet because there's just the hint of the black treacle in there, but it is so Moorish. It toasts really well. Soda bread always makes the best toast. It's lovely fresh, it's lovely toasted. There is no yeast, and so that makes this a really great loaf of bread. If you've suddenly realized you've run out of bread, it mixes together, just goes into the oven. You don't need to knead it. It's, you know, the dream loaf, and you can just cook it and it's ready. So I'm just putting the flour, oats. This has got bicarbonate of soda or baking soda in it and a bit of cream of tartar, salt, and then into that I'm just going to give that a mix, and then into that is going to go the milk. Now if you've got soda bread, is always best with either buttermilk or old milk. And it sounds revolting, but old off milk just creates a better flavour. I didn't have any old milk or buttermilk, so I've just used milk, and obviously it's still going to make a delicious loaf. But believe it or not, old milk, if you're not sure what to do with it, make soda bread. So into my milk, I'm just adding in the black treacle. And then from that, I'm going to just warm it up just enough for the black treacle to mix into the milk. Otherwise, it will all just stick at the bottom. So it's just tepid, and I'm just going to warm it in the microwave slightly. Pour the milk mixture into the flour and oats. Give that a nice mix round with a spoon or a spatula. It is quite a wet dough, and which means you can be quite liberal with using flour to dust your surface. Not so much that you don't want to dry out the loaf at all. You want it to be quite a soft, wet dough, but just enough so that it doesn't stick to any surfaces. So dust your counter with flour. Pour the dough out onto it. As I said, be quite liberal with your flour. And you don't need to knead it. All you need to do is just to make sure it's in a nice round shape, and then pop that onto a baking sheet, which I've just lined with a bit of parchment paper. So then just brush the top of the bread with a little bit of milk. I'm just using cold fresh milk here, and then a nice sprinkle of oats. And then you can use a sharp knife to score the top. You don't need to do this. It's certainly not essential, but you can if you'd like. Just lightly score the top, and then that goes into the oven uncovered to bake. So while the soda bread is baking, I'm just going to put the dough for the rolls to rise, and this will take about an hour. Leave it to rise somewhere warm, not hot, but if it's a warm area, it will be quicker to rise. The weather is really hot at the moment, so this didn't take long at all. So just lightly dust your surface with flour, and this time you don't want too much flour, so just a light dusting of flour. Pop your dough out and then divide it into 12 equal pieces. And I've used my weighing scales just to make this a little bit more accurate, but you don't have to do that. You can eyeball it too. And once you've divided those into the separate pieces, just roll them up into a nice ball, and then they'll go into a baking dish, which I've just lightly greased. And then I cover those and let them sit for about 30 minutes to rise again. Once the rolls have been baked, you can brush over them with a little bit of butter, and this just gives them an extra soft top and a bit of flavour. And enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And check out our other videos. We've got sewing videos, crochet videos, and of course, more recipe videos. Thank you again, and have a great week. Bye.